Riri githurano kinene gitigitie thiko kenda gikorwo gigitafanio kamiti ya kurimira thayu na urumwe bururi-ini NCIC iri mihango-ini ya guthingatithia thayu matura-ini ngurani bururi-ini kuria kamiti ino ikoretwo igitafania cikaro na anyiti itemi ngurani kaunti-ini cia Nairobi, Kisumu, Kericho, Mombasa, Kilifi, Uasin Gishu, Isiolo odomwe na kaunti ya Nakuru mweri-ini uyu wa mugwanja. Akiaria thutha wa gikero na maafitha wathani wa matura gitaro-ini kia Rift Valley, mwikirigiti wa kamiti ino ya NCIC Reverend Dr. Samuel Kobia augite itanya ria kamiti ino ni kuria muingi kugwithia matanya mao megie maumirira maithurano.
We know that many Kenyans always look at Rift Valley to see. I think this is where we measure whether elections are going to be peaceful. And I want to say that hearing from you as the regional commissioner here, that yes, you have moved to all the parts of the Rift Valley, and we can tell Kenyans that Rift Valley is peaceful, is ready for peaceful elections and beyond the elections.
Kurigana na Kobia uri ukahotana githurano-ini kinene agakorwo ari mutongoria wa muingi wothe hatari guthutukania aria matamuthurire riu akiuria muingi gukahimbiria ahotani na maumirira maithurano.
Our message to the winner is that be magnanimous in your victory, and that is very important. Our message to the loser is that accept that you have lost with grace, and then congratulate the winner and find a way of working together.
Mwena-ini wake kamishina wa gitaro kia Rift Valley Mari Mohamed ni ahinyiriirie uhuthiri mwega wa nenda cia kiriu wa undomwe na nyumba cia mohoro akiuga uthingatithia wa thayu ni itemi ria mundu oro wothe.
Kenyans should remain peaceful. They coexist peacefully before, during and even after the election. Remember, this is a competitive political process. Definitely there will be a winner and there will be a loser, but that should not trigger any violence in any part of this country. We have some of the best legal framework in this country. If you feel dissatisfied, please pursue through peaceful means.
Umuthi kamiti ino ni tanyitwo gutafania mucemanio wa kuhunjia thayu kiharo-ini kia Nakuru Athletic Club NCIC gicigo-ini mbunge kia Nakuru ya irathiro. Mucemanio uria ni gaturu ka mihango ya kamiti ino hari kurehe muingi hamwe mbere, hindi na thutha wa ithurano cia mwaka uyu. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.